Hey folks, in this video I'm going to show you a trick on how to make your plastics look better when they're old and faded like this. Now, see, this plastic's new. I bought it most recently, but this plastic down here, you can see it's old looking. It's just some Vaseline and a rag. Dip that rag in that Vaseline just a little bit and just rub it in. Watch, I'm going to show you something right here. Just rub it in. Takes a little time for it to soak in, but that plastic's dry. Now I'm doing adding some oil to it with that petroleum jelly. And I'm gonna show you. I'm just gonna do a small spot right here, just to show you what it does. All right. Now you can see where I did, and down below you can see where I didn't. I used to use this trick at the junkyard on old car bumpers that were wore out looking. Just Vaseline brings them back to life for another good few, 3-4 months. You may have to do it again, depending on how much you keep your shit in the sun, how much mud you go through, and how often you wash your bike or car, whatever you use it on. You can do it on bumpers. Do it on plastics, whatever. But there's a trick, folks, Vaseline. And if I do it on the sunny side, of course, the sun's over there. If the sun was right on this, you'd see a lot, it would look a lot different, so it'd be shiny. Thanks for watching, folks. How to renew your stuff by Rednecks Gone Wild. Before. This is a before picture of what that plastic looks like. All right, there's a better before picture in the actual sun. And there's what it looks like after in full sunlight. Much of a big difference. Vaseline, folks.